Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
That is. Samoham sarva bhuteshu. Name deshasti na priya. Krishna says, God must be equal to everyone. God is one. So He is giving everyone food. The birds, bees, they are getting food. The elephant, he is also getting food. Who is supplying food? Krishna, God is supplying. So, in that way, He is equal to everyone in ordinary dealing. But He specially deals with the devotee, just like Prahlad Maharaj. When he was put into danger, then Lord Nrsimhadev came personally to give him protection. That is the special duty of God. That is not unnatural. If somebody says God is partial, that He takes special care of His devotee, no, that is not partiality. Just like a gentleman in the neighborhood, he loves all children. But when his own child is in danger, he takes special care. That is not unnatural. You cannot blame him that why you are taking special care of your own child. No, that is natural. Nobody will blame him. Similarly, everyone is God's sons, but his devotee is special. That is God's special attention. Jetu bhajanti maang pritya teshu te mai. So, God is giving protection to every living entity, but if you become devotee of the Lord, pure devotee, without any motive, then God will take special care of. That is Krishna consciousness movement. That we are being harassed by Maya, the material energy. And if we take shelter of Krishna, then we will be specially protected. Mameva ja prapaddante, maya metan karam. So, try to become devotee of Krishna. Our Krishna consciousness movement is teaching this philosophy. We have got so many books. Whoever comes here must read the books. Devotee, the inmates of the temple, outsider, then will understand what is Krishna consciousness. Or you should chant Hare Krishna only. Don't talk rubbish things, waste time. That is not good. A single moment is so valuable that you cannot purchase it by millions of dollars. Today is 25th May, 4 o'clock gone. You cannot bring it back. 4 o'clock, 25th May 1975. If you want to get it back again by paying millions of dollars, it will not be possible. Therefore, we should be very careful of our time. Time once wasted, you cannot get it back return. Better utilize this time. The best utilization is to chant Hare Krishna or think of Krishna, worship Krishna. That is Krishna consciousness movement. Thank you very much.